Meaning of cyclist. Cyclist. Cyclist.
Cyclist. Cyclist. A cyclist is a person who rides a bicycle for exercise, sport, or recreation. Cycling is a popular activity that provides both physical and mental benefits. It helps to improve cardiovascular health, build muscle strength and endurance, and reduce stress levels. A cyclist typically wears specialized clothing and equipment such as helmets, padded shorts, and shoes with cleats to enhance performance and safety. Some cyclists participate in competitive racing events while others simply enjoy leisurely rides through scenic landscapes. Cycling is a versatile and enjoyable way to stay fit and active.